Okay, so that's a long story. We moved into this house over 25 years ago. The kitchen was very basic. We really weren't focused on the kitchen at that time. But over the years, after quite a while, it was pretty beat up. And it wasn't using the space efficiently. So we thought, well, let's look at, a new kitchen. We didn't want it. Some contractor would come in and say, well, here's our package, boom, boom, boom. They didn't say anything. They said, tell us what you want. They did it from scratch. So that's why we liked the idea of a smaller company. And how I landed on that, I'm not sure. Instinct, I guess. Did a little, reading. It was instinct. First thing we needed was a layout, and Jeff did that. He did a computer layout, and so we could visualize what the kitchen would look like. Then it helped us just working with Christine pick out materials. And Christine said, well, here's the pluses and minuses of this material. This is where you go to get, your countertop. And she recommended, Fabuwood cabinets, which we hadn't heard of, but boy, they're great. We talked about everything, spatial layout, materials, colors, how things would all go together. So, and Christine and I had extensive emails back and forth. So yeah, there were a lot of emails, tons of emails. It takes a lot of details. You're very detail oriented. Straightforward, bottom line, just a pro all the way. My wife always wanted she loves red. So as you can see, so she wanted a red kitchen, which no one had ever heard of, but now everybody's talking about it. Went in to pick up a piece of art that we had framed the other day, and a woman in there said, oh, I have a red kitchen. Oh, I'll show you a picture of ours. Oh, and she, oh, I just meant the appliances. Yours is red. So the people that came in and did the work were first class, top quality professionals, really nice people. And as the project evolved, new people came in with new skills, and they did like the backsplash with one group, the countertop was one group, the cabinets were pretty much Adam's specialty. He came in one day when everything was all set up, the walls were clear, and just attached them to the wall, just bam, and made it look easy. It sounds maybe a little hyperbolic, but it is life-changing. It was for us. It's a real upper, and it changes the flavor of everything, makes everything look better. So it was, to say the least, it was cost effective. We're very happy.